This incredibly lightweight runner from Under Armour is ready to give you lots of support when you're staying athletic. It has a bright neon yellow look that has perforated textile using engineered mesh, keeping it extremely lightweight and breathable, with extra support with synthetic in the heel and the toe where you need it. It has a unique lace-up with snag-free eyelets to keep it feeling just right, while the inner lining has a very soft booty design that hugs the back of the foot and the top of the foot with its tongue, adding a more secure and plush fit that's always staying comfortable. The foam footbed in the bottom also keeps it very cushiony. It's embedded in the bottom, adding a seamless design that sits on top of a charged cushioning midsole that has firm foam in the heel for shock absorption, with softer foam in the toe, giving you some snappy energy return. The outsole uses the same EVA to keep it flexible and responsive with metatarsal support, using high abrasion rubber at the toe and the heel, keeping it grippy and supportive for all season.